In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to MT4 and MT5 Vantage markets. First, open your MetaTrader platform, either MT4 or MT5. Both work in a very similar way for logging in, so choose the one your trading account is set up for. Once the platform is open, head to the top left corner and click on File. From that menu, select Login to Trade Account. This is the correct login window for trading. It's different from community or marketplace sign-ins you might see elsewhere in the platform. Now you'll see three fields you need to complete: login, password, and server. For the login, enter your trading account number exactly as it appears in your Vantage account details. It's not an email address. Use the numerical account ID you were given when the account was created. For the password, type the trading password associated with that account. Be sure you're using your trading password, not a client portal password, and watch out for extra spaces or caps lock. Next is the server field, and this part is very important. The server must match the one assigned to your specific account. If your account is a live account, you must choose the exact live server listed in your account details. If it's a demo account, choose the corresponding demo server. In many installations, you can select the server from a drop-down list. If you're typing it manually, enter it exactly as shown, paying attention to spelling and any symbols. Using the wrong server is one of the most common reasons logins fail, even if your account number and password are correct. Once those three fields are in place, the correct account number, the correct trading password, and the exact server, click Login. The platform will attempt to connect. A quick way to confirm you're in is to look at your charts. If the charts start moving and prices begin updating, you're connected and ready to go. You can also glance at the bottom of the window for the connection status. If you see data flowing and no error messages, you're good. If the charts don't move or you see a connection error, double-check the server first, then confirm the account number and password. Make sure you're logging into the right platform version. MT4 credentials won't work on MT5 and vice versa. When in doubt, refer to your official Vantage account details. This is the official method from Vantage, and following these steps carefully will get you connected quickly and securely.